Hong Kong is very proud of being a place where there is strong rule of law. And this underlines Hong Kong's success as an international financial and business center. And as a place which is proud of the rule of law, of course, we have to use legislation where there are obvious breaches, offenses under the relevant legislation. So what the law enforcement agencies have done, including the police, in arresting people who are suspicious of committing offenses under the Crimes Ordinance or the National Security Law, is their legitimate duty. So following the police investigation, the case will then be passed to the Department of Justice to decide in an independent way whether prosecutions should be laid. And ultimately, the case, the prosecution will go to the courts. And we all understand and appreciate that there is judicial independence in Hong Kong. So these actions are law enforcement actions. These actions have nothing to do with so-called suppression of press freedom or suppression of democracy. There was a statement issued by the Secretary of State of the United States. And again, they sort of made all sorts of allegations and accusations about this incident. There was this very short phrase in the statement. It said that journalism is not sedition. Well, I agree with that. Journalism is not sedition. But seditious acts and activities and inciting other people through public acts and activities could not be condoned under the guise of news reporting. It should be very clear what is reporting of news and what is seditious acts or activities to undermine national security.